Lightning. This is the Lariat Edition. One of 4 trim levels that the Lightning offers. Price point range anywhere from 50 to over 100,000.
A little bit for everybody.
A little bit for everybody. Whatever tickles your fancy, you know, we got it for you. Great thing about that is the performance, regardless, you receive that whether it's a 50,000 or 100,000, same thing. It all comes down to amenities at the end of the day.
Not a lot of manufacturers are doing that right now.
No, sir. I can't think of one really. To be
Yep.
honest with you, you're gonna pay for that performance.
Absolutely.
Oh yeah. Oh
And quiet, well, it does.
yeah. And quiet. Call it my silent assassin, man. Just gets up and goes. No notice. 0 to 60 in about 4.5 seconds.
So the real question is, where's the Police Interceptor model?
You know it's on the way, right?
Absolutely.
You know it's on the way. We just had a training for that last year. We used to do dealer trainings for the Police Interceptor. And they asked the same question.
I can only think of all the utilization they'd be able to get out of a vehicle like this.
Yeah.
Drive this down to is the equivalent of $1.
They could do so much more, like generator, you know, so
Oh, sure.
throughout